today's video, I'll be speaking about how do you know you are ready to start trading in Deriv, okay? This is a question that literally disturbs a lot of traders, and I'm here to provide their clarification. As we start the video, I want to welcome all of you to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and let us start, okay? Now, as a trader, when you discover Deriv, it is a new area, okay? And as in all new areas in life, first of all, you have to learn. So after going to our channel and watching the videos, learning, and then after learning, now you practice what you have learned over and over and over again. It reaches a point whereby now you are ready to start, okay? But these are some few indications that basically should be there to tell you that you are ready to start, okay? Now, one thing I told you guys, when you're starting out as a beginner, it is very advisable to have all the materials with you. One, you should have the bots with you. You should have the necessary documents. The good thing, you already have the videos, because on our channel you have made very nice videos for you which are very organized, so you can go and watch them properly, okay? I told you guys, if you want to watch any video, just go to playlist, look for the category of the videos you want to watch, be it introduction, even odd over under, and start from there, okay? Now, after doing all this, okay, you also have to now practice, okay? Practice a lot. Use the bots to practice manually, and then it reaches a point whereby now you see you are consistently profitable. If you're not consistently profitable in your practice, make sure you always determine what is preventing you from becoming consistently profitable. Work on it so that at least you are able to keep on making more corrections and keeping on moving forward and avoiding any unnecessary errors or unnecessary losses. I told you guys, in trading we have what we call necessary losses and unnecessary. No, not even necessary. We have unavoidable losses and unnecessary losses. Unavoidable are losses that you incur no matter what you do, no matter after you have done everything correctly. That is unavoidable. But unnecessary are losses that you make after you make some mistakes here and there, okay? So I told you guys, after every loss, always determine what made me incur this loss, because it will make you better every single day. Every loss you incur, every profit you incur is a learning opportunity, and never ignore the lessons, okay? Now, after you have done all this, as I've repeated, first of all, ensure, if let's say you have decided to, but they usually advise people to trade with a bot, okay? Bots make your work easier as compared to trading manually. Okay, yeah, trading with a bot makes your work easy as a trader, because you as a trader, your only work is to analyze the market, determine the good market, the good volatility, and after the conditions have aligned in the market, you just do the proper timing and you launch the bot, and the bot will do everything for you. So as a trader, it eliminates that fatigue, okay? Because if you're trading something like over one, you need to do more than 20 trades to incur good profit. Now imagine if you sit down and you start doing more than 20 trades manually, and you know when you're trading manually, you have to do a lot of timing. When you reach the 16th run or the 15th run, you'll be fatigued. And what does fatigue lead to? Fatigue leads to lack of proper observation. And lack of proper observation will automatically lead to losses, okay? So you have to become very careful with that. Be very cautious with that, okay? So that you avoid making any losses, okay? Yeah, so the only indicator, so basically as a trader, first things first, you should learn, all right? After learning, practice. After practicing and practicing and practicing, and you see you're consistently profitable in that today you made a profit, tomorrow you also made a profit, the other day you also made a profit, and the other day you also made, now at that point you can now deposit whatever amount you have. I told you guys, in the Deriv, the higher the better, okay? The higher the better at any time, and then after you deposit, start growing that account using the proper risk management. Always use a stop loss, always use a take profit, and only use 20% of your account. 20% of your account should be basically your take profit, and also 20% of your account should be a stop loss. And the stake you're using should always be between 2 to 5%, non-negotiable, okay? The stake you're using for whatever account you have, no matter the size, should always be below 2 to 5%, okay? But if your account, let's say $2, $5, $3, there 2% is too little, you can use the least amount, which is 0.35. But for any other account size, always use between 2 to 5% as a stake, and 20% should be basically your take profit and your stop loss, and start building slowly by slowly. Even if you have a small account, it might seem like it will take a lot of time. Believe me, it will not, okay? I told you guys, even for a big apartment or for a bigger house, you have to start with one stone, and then the second, and then the third, and then finally you have a beautiful, fully furnished house, okay? So no matter the goal you have, and just start with the account you have using the proper risk management. Never aim to get more than 20% in a day. Okay, that will lead to over trading, it will lead to revenge trading, and it will lead to more damage to your account, and that has happened to a lot of people. So guys, you have to become very careful with that. Build slowly by slowly, and automatically you will reach wherever you want to reach. Okay, For any questions about this, guys, please let me know down in the comment section. I'll be able to answer you. Please ensure you like and share this video if you have enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys for being here. If you need any more clarification, as I've repeated, just let us know that down in the comment section and we'll get back to you. For any inquiries about the bots and documents, my WhatsApp number will be placed in the comments in the description. You can go and check it out, and also in the comment section, so that at least you can be able to get the bots, because I'm telling you, having bots when you're starting out will really put you at a good place as a trader. Okay, apart from that, guys, thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing. Please ensure subscribe and like this video so that you do not miss out whenever we upload new ones, because I'm telling you, we have hot videos coming for you. You do not want to miss out. Thank you guys once again. Have a good day and cheers.